Hello, in this video, we will talk about how to create a GIF file from the picture. So we use in Windows 11, and first you select all the picture, and right click, edit with clip champ. Now you can see it's import the media to the clip champ. Okay. The first picture, we just move to the with 1 second, okay? So you can see here is 1 second. Then we can add another picture. So go to your media and then add the second picture to here, okay? And then we move to the 2 second, okay? We need to see the number here. After we add this picture, we use the export option, and here we have the gift. It will import, save to your computer, and then we select the folder again, and I see that's the one we just made it. Let's open it. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.